Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com, and today we're going to take a look at the heavy metal L-Gaim or L-Gaim Flossor Spiral Flow Kit from Bandai. And starting with the box, got some nice art here on the cover, and have that repeated on both end flaps. Got some product shots and text on this side, as well as some different product shots on this side of the box. Nothing on the bottom. And inside, we've got a catalog from Bandai, their 1984 series. So, we've got some classic robots, cars, and because that was the time of Transformers, cars that turn into robots. Some neat stuff there. And instruction sheet is exploded diagrams with callouts. As well as how to operate the finished model. And last, we've got this card that has decorating and further operations, and it's actually pre-punched so that you could put this in a binder along with a tabbed edge on it. This is the only kit of this series that I've got, so I can't say if others in the series had variations of it or not, but it is a nice addition. And then we've got a bag of parts, which I'm going to break open so we don't have to hear the plastic rattle. I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got the box open, and before we take a look at the parts themselves, there were two other things included in the bag. The first of which was this little metal tube. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be glue for assembly or grease for the mechanism. Your guess is as good as mine. It doesn't have a cap on it, it's just got a dimple to poke a hole through it. And we also have a decal sheet. And especially considering the age of this, it looks really pretty good. It's got nice sharp printing, good colors, no yellowing. That looks pretty good. And moving on to the first of the three sprues, we've got some of the framework, some of the cowling, and the first of two figures that are included in the set. And for comparison, here it is with a recent hobby design release of the Stig. So you can see how they scale to each other. And that looks pretty good. As far as the molding itself, the face and the figure in general look a little bit soft, but the vents and the panel lines here look pretty darn good. So there's sprue 1. Sprue 2 has the second figure, along with the central part of the vehicle. And more of the cowling. And finally, the third sprue has kind of the guts of it, along with the control surfaces, the handlebars, the foot pegs, and you've got the insides of the vents here. And again, detailing is not too bad for a 30-plus-year-old kit. So, there you go. It's really a very basic kit, but it's an interesting subject matter. And if it strikes your interest at all, you can get these on eBay for really not too much because it is such an unusual subject matter. I'm going to be building this soon. Take a look at how everything fits together. Generally, my experience with Bandai kits has been pretty good, so I'm looking forward to this. Check back for build updates on it, and thanks for watching.